Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the fonts on your Wix website. And the best part is, you can do it in almost just one click. If you've ever felt like your site doesn't quite match your brand's voice, or you want something that pops or feels more professional, updating your fonts is a super quick way to transform your entire look. By the end of this video, you'll know how to update your heading and paragraph fonts across your Wix site, and you'll understand the logic behind each step so you can confidently keep your site looking fresh and on brand. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and inside the website you want to update. I recommend having your homepage open in the editor so you can quickly see changes as we go. Don't worry if your layout looks a little different. Wix has a few variations, but the steps are pretty much the same. Take a look at the main editor screen and zero in on the menu running along the left side. This menu is basically your dashboard for everything design-related. What we're looking for here is an option called Site Design. Go ahead and click on that. It's usually represented with a little paint roller icon if you're not sure. The Site Design panel is where you can control all your global styles, so any changes you make here will ripple out across every page of your site. Next, you'll see a bunch of options for colors and backgrounds, but what we want is text theme. Click on that, and this is where things get interesting. Think of the text theme as your master control for all the fonts on your site. Wix breaks your typography into categories like heading and paragraph, so you can really dial in the vibe for headlines and body text independently. This matters because the fonts you use for your headings should make your site's most important info stand out, while your paragraph font needs to be easy to read and inviting for longer blocks of text. Take a moment to imagine your brand personality. Are you going for bold and modern, or maybe something classic and elegant? Now, for the fun part, picking your fonts. You'll see a list of options. Wix has a ton of built-in fonts, or you can even upload your own if you're feeling adventurous. When you click on a font for your header or paragraph, you'll see it update instantly in the preview, which is super helpful for making quick comparisons. Trust your gut here. Try a few options and see how the feel changes. If you're working for a business, think about readability and tone. For example, a startup might choose a rounded sans serif for approachability, while an art gallery could go with a crisp serif that feels refined. Take your time here. This step really shapes your visitor's first impression. Once you settle on a header and paragraph font that match your vision, just hit close. That's it. All your main text elements are now updated site-wide. There's no need to manually change each text box. Wix does the heavy lifting for you behind the scenes. And if you're thinking, wait, is that really all? Yes, it's surprisingly easy. Give your site a quick scroll to check out how the new fonts look on different sections. If you spot anything that feels off, you can always repeat these steps to fine-tune your choices. Remember, you can experiment as much as you want without affecting your live site until you hit publish, so there's zero pressure. Alright, that's the whole process. If this tutorial helped you make your website look sharper and more on brand, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Got questions about Wix or want font recommendations? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more easy, actionable web design tips, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.